How to add an AI chatbot to Godaddy website builder. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an AI chatbot to Godaddy website builder. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Godaddy, you can also use my affiliate link below the description where earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is a Godaddy, it is a leading web hosting and domain registration company that provides a wide range of online services for individuals and businesses, in which it is known for its domain name registration services, helping users purchase, manage, and renew domain names. In addition to registration, Godaddy offers a web hosting, website builders, professional email services, email e-commerce solutions, and website security features. So now after signing in your account, just simply click your account section on the top right corner and click My Products in here. And upon clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on this page where it will show you all of your website in here. And to start customizing your website, all you need to do is simply choose here the website you want to customize first. So kindly click on it. And after that, it will show you on the right side panel of it, this option that says Edit Website. So all you need to do is to simply click this Edit Website, then you will be directed on this page where you can start editing or customizing your website in here. And to start adding an AI chatbot, we're going to use this platform called chatform.com. So just simply go to this chatform.com/AI/chatbot, in which it is an online form building platform that allows users to create custom forms for a wide variety of purposes. So from here, all you need to do to proceed is click this Get Started or Let's Start button in here. And upon doing so, you will be directed in here. And all you need to do is to simply choose here which kind of AI chatbot you want to create. We have here customer support below, recruitment, feedback, appointment, customer service, e-commerce, and many more. And it will show you some other description in here that has been already created. For example, I'm going to choose customer support and click Create AI Chatbot button. And after that, it will show you that your AI is now being created in here. So all you need to do is to wait for it to load. And after that, it will show you which kind of greeting do you prefer, or you could also start customizing this one. And it will show you on the right side panel basically what it looks like when a customer tries to click on a chatbot. You'd also choose to add this a pulsing effect to the avatar, and also to choose the position of an AI agent screen position. And let's say in those options, I'm going to make it on the right, which is the default one, and click the next button to proceed. And after that, from here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose the image or the avatar in here of your AI chatbot, in which this will serve as a person or the employee or customer support in here. So just click the next button after choosing the AI avatar. Then proceed by simply entering here the agent name. For example, I'm going to enter the name of the agent, Marco. And you could also enter the agent role. We have here customer service agent, human resource agent, customer sales agent, and many more. And for the chattiness, you can choose either minimalist, standard, or chatty, in which by choosing standard, it offers 2 to 3 sentences, which is recommended for a kind of AI chatbot. You could also select your default languages, but I'm going to choose English. And even the tone of voice, we have here friendly, casual, and professional, and I'm going to choose the friendly. And after choosing your preference, just click the next button to proceed in here. And in this page, the next thing that you need to do is simply enter here or choose or customize your color scheme, in which it will show you what the color scheme looks like of this AI chatbot. Then click next button below to proceed. And after that, from here, you can simply add the knowledge base, knowledge, link, document, question and answer, such as some of the frequently asked questions, which will be served as the source of information for this AI chatbot, in which it could be a frequently asked question from your website that has been asked by a customer, or even some of the overview, document, and many more. And if you're now done, you can now simply click the next button below to proceed. However, make sure to also sign in your account on JetForm in order to start using or start adding it to our Godaddy website. So all you need to do is simply sign up in here. I'm going to choose to sign up using Google, but you could also choose either email, Microsoft, and many more. And after signing in, it will show you in here below the embed code that we can simply copy by clicking this button. And after that, just simply go back to our Godaddy website. And from here, just simply choose here the kind of section you want to add the AI chatbot. And upon clicking or choosing the section on the right side panel, Simply enter here or choose this HTML and kindly add it or click it in here. Upon clicking on it, it will automatically add in this section that you choose. And on the right side panel, kindly simply enter the title of this section. For example, I'm going to enter AI Chatbot Customer Service. And below under custom code, simply paste here the embed code that we just copy. And after that, you'll now be able to see here what it looks like, or our AI chatbot in here that has been customized using all of the info that we just input. So this is basically the AI chatbot that the customer can simply click to ask a question or for assistance. So now to save the changes, you can click the publish button on the top panel to save it, or you could also start customizing it depending on your preferences once again. So this is basically what it looks like when a customer tries to click on it. It should be open on a pop-up window where customers can ask questions or assistant. But overall, that is just basically how to add an AI chatbot to Godaddy website builder. Thank you.